it's your boy, Pickle Rick here, back with another video. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing and, just an unboxing of new vacuum we got. So, it was pretty expensive, so let me get my handy dandy X-Acto thingy and open it up. Okay, so we opened it up. First thing that comes is the card. There's like a letter for thank you for buying this or something. So, yeah. Okay, so get stuff out of the box, move it out of the way, open it up. Oh, bubble wrap. Okay, that out of the way. Got the Blizzard CX1 power line. Let's take it out of the box. More bubble wrap. That out of the way. That out of the way. Okay. Whoops. Okay, that's out of the way. So now, I'm gonna open up this box. Second box that we've opened. Okay. Let's open it up. So we ordered blue, and it came in blue. So now we're gonna open it out of the box. The first thingy that we get is like a tube thingy, and then we get styrofoam. Okay, I think we're supposed to take this out. I don't know what's in here, but it should be important. And now there's vacuum. That's gonna come out of the way. Okay. Another box. So, got the vacuum, got the tube, we got something else important. Jeez, there's so many boxes. So we're gonna open it up, and boom, look what we found. There's this thingy that attaches to something, and then there's another tube that I suppose is supposed to do something. And then got this thingy for the floor, and then there's two thingies for the floor, these two thingies. And then, yeah. So we got the instructions, and it says to first put. Okay, so now we gotta get everything out. Okay, so we don't need this other box either. That out of the way. So I think we should get this out of the wrapping.
It's open. It's open.
No, it's not. It's not open. Oh, is it? Okay. It is open. So, it out of the box. I mean, box, wrapping paper, and pretty nice blue vacuum. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Pretty nice. Then we attach this tubey thingy to here, I think.
The other one.
The other one? I don't know. Oh yeah, it is the other one. So apparently it's another one. Put it in, just like that. So yeah. And another look at the instructions. And then you put the other side in here, like so. Click it in, make sure it's all clicked. And then you, oh yeah. Then, wait. Something's supposed to happen. And then, oh, you attach it to,
The other tube.
oh yeah, the other tube. Is it already opened? Yeah, it's already opened. So, take that tube out of the thingy. And then, yeah. So then you put it like this, I think. Or is it the other way? Is it the other way? No, it's this way. So, ooh, that's cool. Yeah. Wait, I think we're supposed to take this out. Were we supposed to take this thing out?
No.
No, okay. Just like an add-on thing. So, put it on like this. Then do you use this thingy to like elongate it and stuff? So yeah. And then there's two different attachments. This one is like a floor. So you can go like vroom vroom. Oh, it's comfortable. This is for, I think, wood. And I think this one's for, oh, where's the, this one's opened up. Yeah, this one's for carpet. And yeah, and the other one's for wood. So, I think that's it.
Where's the cord?
The cord? I think the cord's in it.
In the back, yeah.
Oh yeah. So it's like, it's super cool. So if you want to like stretch out your cord to like, if you want to plug it in and then you want to vacuum somewhere else, it's really nice. And then, what are you doing? Huh? Oh, you need to exit out while I'm done. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And then, so it's all lined out like that, and you just press one button and it comes right back in. Let me show you again. So, you go like this, and it's all tangled up, right? And you don't want to put it all the way back, right? So you just press this one comfort button. All you do is press it, and it takes the cord straight back in. So you can just move it along. Now you don't have to put the cord back. And yeah. So, and this handle thingy